Hello and thank you for dropping by. I'm Michael Alder and this is CarpetExpertBlueprint.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to patch indoor-outdoor carpet after one of your low-life friends dropped a cigar on it. Now this is actually going to be a reenactment of other videos showing on-site patchwork, but here we have indoor-outdoor carpet. Here's a spot with a perfect cigar-sized burn on it. It's pretty common that we come across repair jobs with cigarette burns and things like that. This is going to be our seam sealer we're going to use for you DIY types that need something just around the house. You could actually even use like Elmer's glue on this. This is AC44 carpet seam sealer though, and we use this on most of our repairs. So all we're going to do is take our carpet knife. You could use a sharp utility blade as well, and we are going to cut out the damaged section. We're going to turn that circle into a square. And we're going to slowly lift up on it, just in case I missed any of the threads there. All right, we're all good. So we have the piece removed that's damaged. Now we're going to take a piece of carpet, the same style here, and we want to make sure the grain's running the same way. You can see the lines are going like this. We're going to take the piece we cut out, and we're going to line it up with the lines here. And we're going to get a fresh cut on that. And we're just tracing this square. And be sure you set the square the same exact way on top of the carpet. Like, don't flip it over and try and trace it, because you want to make sure everything is exactly the same so it fits perfectly, in theory, into the patch area. Cut these loose threads. Alrighty. So now we're going to line this up, make sure it's going to fit in there okay. And it looks like we're going to be alright on this one. So we're going to take the patch piece out, take our seam sealer, and I like to seal the edge where it's going to be lining up on this. So we're going to put a bead all the way around. And then just put a little X in the middle there, so it'll grab the center. And we're gonna get our little fill piece here and get a little pliable so we can drop it in and have all the edges sealed. Alright, so we got the patch in place. You see we got some fuzzies hanging out here, so I take the knife, just kind of work those into the glue there. And don't get too aggressive with it though, because you don't want to create any new runners or fuzzies out of it. Just any of those loose fibers, drop them in there. I'm going to get this edge over here. Get this side. And then you're going to want to let it dry. Depending upon the glue you use, like this seam sealer, it's dry and good to go in within the hour. So then you can go ahead and vacuum it. You can get real aggressive with it, make sure there's no loose fibers. But that is basically it. You got one loose fiber there. That's why you want the glue to go ahead and seal. So when you get real aggressive on it, you make sure it holds up. So there it is, everything's patched in place. You can't tell that there was a burn mark there. We got a couple little hairs sticking out, trim those. But overall, that's it. Now, if you use an Elmer's glue or something like that, it's definitely gonna have to set up a little bit longer. But there is the quick tip of the day on how to patch indoor-outdoor carpet. Man, this lighting situation is horrible. Anyway, to get in on the DIY toolkit giveaway, be sure to drop by CarpetExpertBlueprint.com. There'll be a link in the video, as well as AuctionTools.com, which will go ahead and redirect you to the best deals on hand tools on eBay. So you can scope that out as well if you're looking to expand your collection on a discount. So thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next video.